Mr. Outfield, good morning again. I saw you yesterday for some other charges. After first appearance yesterday, you've been accused of 3 new charges. They are trafficking in methamphetamine, smuggling, which is introduction of contraband into a county detention facility, and tampering with evidence. There is probable cause for these charges, ma'am. I'm going to ask you to listen to the attorneys before I address your bond.
Judge, we would just ask that you move to revoke her bond in the case that she was first appeared for yesterday.
Tell me, the question is, did any of these charges allegedly occur after the bond was set? So, Mr. Mitchell, let me hear from you on that.
Based on what I could see in the complaint, I think definitely the tampering happened after the bond was set, before she was taken to Jackson Hospital. And there is arguments, I can't remember what we were discussing or what the terminology was, that it was a continuing charge involving the trafficking case. And
there's no trafficking.
Ma'am,
Speak, ma'am.
and I think it's also a continuing charge for smuggling the contraband. So the state would argue that the tampering is definitely a new charge that happened after bond was set. So based on that, that's why we petitioned that her bond be revoked.
Mr. McDaniel.
Your Honor, I would just argue that, this is a continuation of the same crime. She was in custody, has been in custody since that point in time. So whatever crimes also happened at DOC, this could easily always a continuation of the same crime, including trying to hide it. I think the exact same charge crimes with the DOC also, because she was taken into custody and she never had a chance to put those things inside of her body.
After first appearance yesterday is when this current case happens, and the complaint says she essentially comes to y'all and says, I do have something inside of my person and I can't get it out. And then the complaint alleges that she was able to remove some of the methamphetamine and flush them. Supposedly she said this. Just a second, ma'am. The complaint says she claimed, she told them she removed some of the methamphetamine and flushed it, but she couldn't get at least one package out. And that second trip to the hospital, they successfully removed the methamphetamine. Is that the timeline?
As far as I know, yes, sir.
Mr. Ratfield, it appears to me that based upon the timeline, the allegations are you had that substance inside your body at the time I first appeared you yesterday, and then after first appearance, became worried about not being able to get it out. Arguably, there's probable cause that you committed the crime of possessing after I set the bond. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set you a higher bond than normal, because I think you were committing a crime probably when I first appeared you yesterday. So I'm not going to revoke your bond, but I'm going to set her bond at $100,000 on this trafficking and $50,000 on the smuggling and $25,000 on the contraband. So your bond today is $175,000 in addition to whatever it was yesterday. You do have a condition of random urinalysis, and you're also going to have the same court date you were given yesterday, which is December the 2nd at 8:30.